Hey guys, Ilsa here. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're interested in creating Bantu knots on your 4C hair, please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start out by using a heat protectant. Guys, of course, you can use any heat protectant of your choosing. I just happen to have a heat protectant for my line, which I absolutely love. And I have not had any heat damage while using this product, which I'm really happy with. So right now I'm just detangling my hair and I'm going to put it into a Bantu knot. I'm doing this because I want for my blow dry process to be seamless and easy. So as you can see, I'm splitting my head up into smaller sections and I'm adding product to each section. I'm going to detangle that section and I'm going to place it in a Bantu knot, just getting my hair ready for the blow drying process. I'm going to do that all over my head. Alright, and now it's time to blow dry. So as you can see, the blow dry is going through my hair nice and easy. I love putting my hair in these Bantu knots because it just makes the blow drying process so much easier. Once you're done with that, you're going to place it into a Bantu knot for it to set. Okay, sidebar, one of the things I love about this heat protectant is that you're not going to have a smoky house. Your hair is going to feel soft, it's going to be easy to detangle, and the blow dryer is just going to go straight through it. So let's continue. Alright, you take this section and you just put another Bantu knot. So let me explain why I choose to do it this way. When I blow dry my hair, the heat that's still on the hair and then I place it into a Bantu knot, it just allows for the curl to be nice and fluffy when I take it out. Alright guys, and my whole head is blow dried and I am ready for bed. I'm going to take my satin scarf and I'm going to go to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, Osa here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Bantu knots that I did last night. And just take a little bit of the hemp seed oil. Just put a little in my hand. So you're going to take your hemp seed oil and just spread it throughout your hair. I like to take down each Bantu knot and just make sure that I get a little oil on that section. It gives me wonderful shine and it really cuts down on frizz. So now I'm just separating my hair. This is the fun and easy part. This is going to give us a lot more fullness and body. So of course, don't overdo it. You want each section to still look like you have some curls, but if you separate too much, you'll have a ton of frizz. So now I'm just taking my pick and I'm just only picking out the roots, and that's just going to cover any lines that I may have exposed. Grab your brush, style your baby hairs as you would like. And you're done. This is a quick and easy style. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and I hope that you will try it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it down below and I'll respond. All right, have a good one. All right, guys, so I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. I had a blast making it. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. When it comes to your hair type, you should always foresee beauty. Okay, look at you making it to the end of the video. So if you are interested, I have some other links right here that you can click on to see what I do here on this channel. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.